How to uninstall a program or an app from your computer. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily uninstall a program from your computer or Windows laptop or PC. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to uninstall an app or a program in Windows 11, first of all you have to click on this window icon and click on settings. After that you can see here apps, click on it. And here you can see install apps, click on it. And here you will see all the apps you have installed in your computer. So from here you can uninstall any program or app very easily. For example, I want to uninstall this app Microsoft Clipchamp. Click on these three dots and here you can see uninstall option, click on it and confirm uninstall. And it takes some time and it will be uninstalled successfully. So guys, you can see I have uninstalled Clipchamp very easily. So guys, in this way you can easily uninstall an app or a program in Windows 11 in your computer. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.